A MotionBuilder animation file captures motion data, both motion capture recordings and hand-keyed animation sequences for 3D character workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you import or convert these animation data files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value MOT file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. MOT files are animation data files associated with Autodesk MotionBuilder and various game engines storing skeletal animation sequences. They contain bone transform keyframes, timing data, and animation metadata for character motion in real-time 3D applications and game development. MOT files use a binary format storing per-bone quaternion rotation and translation keyframes at specified frame rates. The format varies by application, with some implementations using compressed delta encoding for efficient storage of long animation sequences. Most installations default to associating Autodesk MotionBuilder from Autodesk Inc. with MOT. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows provides only an incomplete snapshot, so full exploration must be done in a CAD environment. Time to test installed programs. Right-click the MOT file and hit Open With. Launch it using Autodesk MotionBuilder if possible. If that option is absent, choose any other application from the displayed list. If your MOT file still refuses to open, stay calm. We've isolated the failure to one of 3 common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, opening in MotionBuilder. Install Autodesk MotionBuilder and open the MOT file via File, then open or merge it into an existing scene using File, then Merge. Assign the animation to a characterized skeleton to preview the motion on your 3D character rig in the viewport. Next, converting to FBX. Open the MOT file in MotionBuilder and export it as FBX via File, then Save, then select FBX Format. FBX preserves skeletal animation data and is universally supported by Maya Blender Unity and Unreal Engine for cross-application animation workflows. Finally, Retargeting Animation. Use MotionBuilder's Character retargeting system to transfer MOT animation data from one skeleton to another with different proportions. Define source and target character mappings in the character definition window, then plot the retargeted animation to the new skeleton. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.